Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick walk around on this new 2021 Bayliner DX2000. Um, awesome new model that we are stocking now. Customers picking up today. And just so impressed by the overall package here that I just want to show everyone. On this one, we did install two things extra, not from the factory. So a Minn Kota Tarova. We went with a 72-inch shaft on this one. So when the boat's in the water, you will be able to have plenty of length to get there. Easy to install. You can order it from the factory with the wiring pre-rigged. It's 24 volt. The guys in the shop just put it on a quick release bracket here so you can still put the cover on. Like I said, this is just going to be a quick kind of walkthrough of the boat, but the DX2000s do have a bow ladder. This one has the LED docking lights in the front, new design. Galvanized trailer, single axle with brakes. Nice bimini top fuel tank over here, the extended swim platforms, and this client did decide not to go with the sea deck on the back, but it is throughout the entire boat. One of the best things I like about the DX2000 is this back seating area. This is a great area to lounge out, and it is just a really good setup. Here you also can flip this in, so if you lift up, hard to do one-handed, but dramatically bigger sun deck area, cup holders, area for a ski pylon here at the back, and even charging ports on the side. A lot of detail going on here. Cup holders in all kinds of locations. And this boat has a Mercury 150 with the hydraulic steering. Walking into the boat, you have a nice storage here, very deep, comes with a cooler. Big, easy steps into the boat. The dash is great. Coming to the second thing we have installed aftermarket is a Helix 7 with side imaging. So that is installed on a downrigger mount, or ram mount here. Fits great. You can even turn it so you can see it from the bow. So much room. Really impressed with upholstery on Bayliner now for 2020, 2021. In particular, just how thick this is. Huge pads, tons of room. And in this package, the client does have the filler with the pedestal and a fishing seat that goes here. So very multi-purpose boat. And with the outboard option, you actually get so much storage in this boat. In the back, coming in here, if I flip this back up, there's no motor. So with no motor, you get massive storage. Huge storage. Batteries with storage over here, ski pylon, table, all the bow stuff I just mentioned, the filler cushion, board, seat, everything can store here. I mean, I could get down in there. Every cushion in the boat could fit in there also. Massive storage throughout the sides as well. So overall, DX2000, great boat. Lots of room, very versatile. You can get it in this full windshield design or open layout for even more room. So check it out.